Well, we've come to the part of the show where we hope to leave you with a smile on your face as we head into the weekend. Boy, we need it these days.
Yeah, we certainly do. It's time for Lola and Louie in this week's edition of the Newshounds Now Update.
It's Newshounds Now Update with Lola and Louie.
This week on the Newshounds, a fed-up father.
Move over, grumpy cat.
And do bears play at the zoo? Yup.
But first, an ecological park in Mexico is welcoming a new Nile hippopotamus calf into its fold. The sex of the baby is not yet known, and mom is having a hard time feeding her, so zoo experts are tending to the little one. The Nile hippo is listed as vulnerable and on the red list due to shrinking habitat and illegal hunting. Every new little addition is a welcomed one for this species.
A pair of Andean bear cubs are delighting visitors to Britain's Chester Zoo as they get used to the great outdoors. The twins, a female named Pasha and a male named Mateo, were born to mother Lima in January and have been inside with her until this moment. The zoo has recently reopened after closing due to the pandemic lockdown in March. The Andean bear is the species on which author Michael Bond based his popular Paddington Bear character, so it's understandable why these two are so popular. It's Paddington Bear comes to life.
Scene might look familiar if you're at home with kids during the coronavirus-related shutdown. Can you relate to this? A staff member at the Fort Worth Zoo took this video of 4-year-old gorilla Gus trying to play with his dad Elmo, who just wasn't having it. We see a lot of heads nodding out there.
Finally, meet Judgy Cat. A frowning feline from Arizona has become a viral star. He seems to be channeling the late, great Grumpy Cat. When the Humane Society took his official adoption picture and posted it, well, the rest is history.
Very sassy, was not sure of all of us, and he just wasn't here for